Imagine yourself in this Chrysler 2020 300 Touring. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include tires, 245/45 BSWS performance, sport appearance package included, Firestone brand tires, gloss black yellow surround molding, compact spare tire, black noise wing badges, black insert wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches black noise aluminum, WHG, black chromes around 300S grille, black LED tail lamps, gloss black front fascia applique tires, 245/45 R20 BSWAS performance, black headlamp bezels, black noise 300 badge, wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 black noise aluminum, WHG, transmission, 8-speed automatic 8 horsepower 50 Sao Tome and Principe d'Abras, frostbite, engine, 3.6 LV.